We're back in the kitchen and we're sharing with you our all-time favorite banana bread. But this time with lots of surprises that is healthier, tastier, and more aromatic. We call it banana bread half and half. You will find out why in a few why we call it that way. We'll start with our ingredients. We have all-purpose flour. The original recipe calls for 2 cups, but we're making it 1 cup and substituting another cup with almond flour. Then we use 1 cup brown sugar, less 2 tablespoons just to reduce the sweetness a little bit. 1/4 cup milk. You can use evaporated milk or fresh milk. 2 large eggs, or 3 if medium or small. 1 stick of melted butter. 3 medium mashed ripe bananas. 1/2 cup chopped walnut. 1/2 cup chocolate chips. We don't have the usual chocolate chips, so we use the Godiva dark chocolates. To enhance the aroma, we add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. 1/2 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we will combine the cooled melted butter, sugar, and egg. We will cream them together until they are thoroughly mixed. Then we add both flour slowly, then the milk, and the banana. We add the spices, salt, and baking soda, then walnuts and chocolates. After the batter are all mixed in together, we will add 1 special ingredient, the rum. Add around 4 tablespoons and mix it until fully incorporated. Bake for around 1 hour to 1 hour and 10 minutes on a preheated 350 Fahrenheit oven. This banana bread will taste even better the next day or when you store it longer in the fridge because of the rum.
Good, warm, soft. I can taste the chocolate. Good. And there's a nice crunch on the outside.
You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane.